Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. I'm on the side of the road in North Dakota, getting ready to do a POTA. I'm gonna say that a lot because it rhymes and I think it's awesome. Let's make it happen. This is the Coal Dock Wildlife Management Area, and it's just kind of a stop off on the middle of the road. Nice. But this is North Dakota, and I don't have North Dakota on my POTA activation chart. Gotta work all parks in all states. Not all parks, well, maybe eventually. Got to get a park in every state, and this is one of them. This is a wildlife management area, and you don't get much at wildlife management areas, which is nice because you also don't get many people interfering with you. There's really no place to park besides on the side of the road, so that's what I'm going to do. And I didn't bring a chair or a table, so I'm probably going to just sit in the car and get it done. We'll see. You know, they don't put signs up like this unless somebody causes a problem. Somebody caused a problem. Now we got a sign. Some people's kids, man. It's a nice area. It's actually nice, cool weather too for a change. It's mid-70s. So a lot of you were asking me, how am I gonna get that mast in the air if I'm not allowed to put stakes in the ground and set up all kinds of crazy stuff and there's no trees and whatnot? I'm a ham. Check this out. So these right here are my ground radials, and they go all the way over here to the antenna, which is hanging down there. You probably can't see it. And then that wire goes up in the air. And look at that antenna mast mount. Hams get stuff done. That's how I'm going to do it. Checking the frequency, checking the frequency. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. Is the frequency in use? Kilo Mike 9 Golf. Checking the frequency. All right, I checked it like 3 times. No response this time. We're going after it. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ Parks on the air. CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf from the Coal Dock Wildlife Management Area, North Dakota Game and Fish Department managing this place. It's open to public hunting. I hope I don't get hit up here, but it's midday on Tuesday. I should be fine. Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Foxtrot 5,
Foxtrot 5, Papa Yankee India. You are 5-5 in my park, 5-5.
Gears down on the 5-5 into your park. You're 5-5 into France. 5-5 both ways into France. My name is Larry.
All right, Mary, thank you very much for the contact, and 5-5 both ways is amazing. I'm 10 watts in a park with an ICOM 705. Can't beat it.
Congratulations. Have it is real, Steve, and my pleasure for this new park. Good luck. Take care.
All right, thank you very much. 73, this is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. First contact, France.
Hotel, Quebec.
Kilo 8 Hotel, Quebec, QRZ.
Yep, QSL.
Yeah, I said that wrong.
5-7 in Michigan.
All right, copy the 5-7 in Michigan. You are a strong 5-9 out here.
QSL, Steve, thank you very much for your activation. Have a good afternoon in 73.
All right, you too, my friend. First contact, France. What are the chances of Francis? CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, KM9G at US 8590 in North Dakota. Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Kilo 0 Oscar Echo, Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You are 5-9 in North Dakota.
And you are 5-5 in Minnesota. 5-5 Minnesota, Kilo 0 Oscar Echo.
Copy the 5-5 Minnesota. Thank you for the contact, 73.
7-3.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Hardly any mosquitoes out. I guess I'm not near that big of a swampy area. There's like a little lake over there. Nice day. Can sit in the sun and enjoy it, get my vitamin D. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Get my vitamin D and drink my iced tea. Not sponsored. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, KM9G on 14288 in North Dakota. CQ POTA from North Dakota, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa, India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa. You are 5-9 North Dakota.
Roger, Roger, 5-7 Indiana.
Copy the 5-7 Indiana. Thank you for the contact, 73.
73.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Alpha Alpha 4, Juliet Papa.
Was that Alpha Alpha 4 Juliet Papa?
Roger, Roger, Alpha Alpha 4, Juliet Papa.
All right, copy that. You are 5-9 North Dakota.
Roger, you are 5-2, 5-2. The band's not playing real good today. You are about 5-2 in Kilo Yankee, QSL.
Copy 5-2 Kentucky. Love it. Thank you for the contact, 73.
All right, 73.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ, 10 watts, folks. Gets it done. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf in North Dakota, QRZ.
November Lima 7 Victor.
I got November Lima 7 Victor, QSL.
QSL Steve, November Lima 7 Victor. 22, 2x2 Alaska.
I will take the 22 Alaska. You are 5'9" in North Dakota. Thank you for the contact.
Thank you for the park there. All the best. Have a nice day. 7-3.
73, you too. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ, from France to Alaska. All over the world, worldwide. I got 4 more to go now. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, Kilo Mike 9 Golf from North Dakota, CQ POTA from North Dakota, KM9G, QRZ.
November 9, Bravo, Charlie, America.
November 9, Bravo, Charlie, America, 5'9", North Dakota.
Roger, and you're also a 5'9" into central Wisconsin. Running 5 watts, northeast.
Oh, awesome. You're 5 watts. I'm 10 watts in Wisconsin to North Dakota. Thank you for the contact. 73, my friend.
Thanks for the wonderful park. N9DCA.
This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. 3 to go. Oh, you're way down in the noise, man. I can just hear you talking, but I can't hear what you're saying. Come again? This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You're barely down in the noise. I can barely hear you. Come again? Not getting him this time. Nothing heard, nothing heard. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ.
Alpha 7, Romeo Sugar.
Alpha 7, Romeo Sugar, strong 5'9" into North Dakota.
USL, you're not doing as well my way. You're about a 5'4", 54 into Salt Lake City, Utah. QSL.
All right, copy the 5'4" in Utah. It's about better than the 2'2" I got earlier from Alaska. I'll take it. Thank you very much for the contact.
And I thank you very much for the park. 73.
73, 73. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, calling CQ Parks on the Air from US 8590, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. Sorry, bud, frequencies in use. And my radio just locked up. Check this out. Can you all see that? Yeah, so I can't hit any buttons. This is the RFI problem with the 705. And I don't have the choke on the radio side of the antenna. Reboot. Power button works. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf from US 8590, calling CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA from North Dakota, US 8590, QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, calling CQ Parks on the Air from US 8590 in North Dakota, the Coldock Wildlife Management Area, CQ POTA, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QRZ. November 6 Golf Romeo, Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You're 5'9" in North Dakota. How's it going?
Hey Steve, how you doing? Kind of weak down here. Not moving the estimate here. We got to keep you at 4-0. 4-0, is that a real report?
It is now. It is now. I can hear you pretty good. I'll take it. And this is North Dakota to New Mexico or Arizona? I forget which side of the border you're on.
Oh darn, you faded on me. I'll let you go. I'll monitor, see if signal comes back up. And 60R.
All right, Brad, thanks for trying from New Mexico. Thanks for trying. New Mexico to North Dakota. So we'll keep it and we'll see what happens.
Kilo 9, Bravo, Bravo, Quebec.
I'll get one more to be sure. Kilo 9, Bravo, Bravo, Quebec, QSL.
Kilo 9, Bravo, Bravo, Quebec. I have you 4x4. 4x4 in Illinois, in Lima, Roger.
All right, copy the 4-4 Illinois. You are 5'9" North Dakota. Thanks for the contact.
My report again, my report.
You are 5'9" North Dakota. Thank you for the contact.
Roger, roger. Thanks a lot. 73, good luck with your activation. K9BBQ.
All right, thank you very much, and have a great day. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. QRZ, 2 left, because Brad is on almost. Well, 1 left. I'm at 10 now. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, calling CQ Parks on the air from US 8590. Last contact, last contact. Bring it in, bring it in. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. QRZ. Yes, sir, the frequency is in use. I'm calling CQ Parks on the air. What's your call sign?
Is the frequency in use?
Yeah, he can't hear me. The frequency is in use. I got 1 contact left. It would be great if it was you, and then I can hand you the frequency. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. What's your call sign, friend? Yeah, he can't hear me at all. 1 left. Come on. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, calling CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, QSL, QRZ. Sometimes I get my Q codes backwards. That's twice in this video.
Kilo Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo.
Kilo Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo. Thank you very much for the contact. You are 5'9" into North Dakota.
7, Tango Golf Romeo.
Kilo Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo, 5'9", North Dakota.
You're a 23, Wyoming.
Copy the 23 Wyoming. I'll be there tomorrow. Thank you for the contact.
My signal report a couple times. You're 23, Wyoming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Copy the 23 Wyoming. You are 5'9", 5'9" in North Dakota. 5'9" in North Dakota.
Thanks for the activation. Good luck.
All right. Thank you for the contact. That gets us in the logs. Thank you very much. November 6 Alpha Kilo Alpha QSL. My signal report, please.
The frequency in North Dakota. Thank you.
November 6 Alpha Kilo Oscar. You are 22 in North Dakota. 22 in North Dakota. November 6 Alpha Kilo Oscar, 22 North Dakota, 22 North Dakota.
Roger, thank you, KM9G. This is N6AKO.
All right, N6AKO, you just came way up. Thank you very much. Got you, at that time you were a 5'9". All right, Kilo Mike 9 Golf going QRT. Thank you for the contact. Everybody, this was fantastic. After all that, I'd say the band conditions are improving. That was about a half an hour to get 10 or 11 contacts in the log. And we went to France and to Alaska and to New Mexico and a lot in the central US. So I'm considering that a fantastic win for being on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere in North Dakota. There's a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.